Hey, it's your girl, Nikki Pinkk Goddess. I want to thank you for taking the time out of your busy schedule to check out this amazing opportunity. I'm not sure how you landed on this page. You could have entered your name and email address and it brought you here, or someone could have shared this video with you. But however it is, there's going to be some phenomenal information you're going to get access to. You're going to get access to a free account. And so I just wanted to do a really quick overview, really quick, to share with you exactly what you can expect. So listen, there are so many ways that you can create income from the comfort of your home. Most people just have a hard time figuring out exactly how to do it. I have been online myself for a little over 10 years. I've created some great success. I've made a lot of money, and I've also had some failures as well. But I will tell you the good has definitely outweighed the bad. And in 2017, I had the most prosperous year of my life when I found out an amazing cryptocurrency called Bitcoin. Now, I'm not sure if you know about Bitcoin or not. And so that's what I want to kind of share with you here. On this page that you're looking at, you're going to be able to get access to a free account. Now, this is for somebody that's looking, like I said, to create some income for yourself or your family. I don't know what exactly you're looking to do. If you're looking to replace a job, or you're looking to supplement an income, or if you're retired and you're looking for extra money, or if you're a student and you're looking for extra money. There's so many reasons that people are looking to create extra income. But whatever that reason is, please understand that what I'm going to share with you here and invite you to create your free account, you're going to get some life-changing information, and what you choose to do with it will be totally up to you. So listen, on this page right here, typically when you go to a site, you watch a 30-minute overview that shows you slideshows. It's like a slideshow, and it gives you information about how to create income or whatever the opportunity is. But we decided to do something here different with Ingreso Cybernetico. What we want to do is we want to give you tons of value. As a matter of fact, when you go through these steps, these 3 steps that you see here, you're going to create a free account. That free account is going to give you access to 7 steps. 7 steps to your success. What we offer, if you choose to become a customer and just use our products, or if you also want to use our products and create income, you're going to get access to all of the information totally for free. And if you want to talk with a coach afterwards and want them to answer some of your questions, you're going to get access to that too. This is totally amazing. I mean, I'm just so blown away. I've taken out all of my time to commit to Ingreso Cybernetico so that we can share this with as many people, because people hit me up on a day-to-day basis looking for ways to make money, and they really don't know how to do it. And so what Mr. Dwayne Golden has put together with Ingreso Cybernetico, it is making a way for average people to be able to create income. So what you can expect is, after you watch this video, there's going to be a link under this video that's going to be the link to get to this page. You want to make sure that whoever referred you, that their username is located up here, because this is who you will be signing up under to create your free account. What you want to do is you want to watch this 2-minute overview from our CEO, Mr. Dwayne Golden. He's going to share a little bit about Ingreso Cybernetico with you. And then what you're going to do is you want to answer, what do you like best? What are you trying to learn? Do you want to know more about internet marketing? Do you want to know more about multi-level marketing? Do you want to know more about cryptocurrency, or is it something else? We're going to ask you to select one of these 4 options, okay? For the purpose of this video, I'm going to select cryptocurrency. And that's totally because if I were you, I would want to learn as much as I can about cryptocurrency, because it is the wave of the future. You're going to want to make sure that you have some in your portfolio. Let me give you an example really quick. So when our company had our launch last month in January, on the day of the launch, I had someone to join me. My commission was $1,400. By the time that $1,400 transferred from my back office to my wallet, it was $1,408, okay? And then by the time I transferred that $1,408 to my card so that I could withdraw it out of the ATM, it was $1,420. That is the power of cryptocurrency. That is not going to happen with USD fiat. That's not going to happen. It's not going to just magically increase or decrease. It's going to be whatever the amount is, that's what it is. So that's one of the cool things about cryptocurrency that makes it so powerful, is you actually are having access to an asset that's going to continue to increase. Just back in 2009, I think one Bitcoin was less than $1. I think it was actually pennies. I want to say it was pennies on the dollar in 2009. That's what 10 years ago. So that's just a power, just showing you over 10 years, if you owned cryptocurrency, what it can do. Just imagine a guy who spent 10,000 Bitcoin back then and purchased a pizza. Can you imagine? One Bitcoin right now today is worth over $10,000. So just imagine he used 10,000 to purchase one pizza. So that just goes to show you the power of cryptocurrency. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select cryptocurrency here, and then I'm going to select continue. You want to make sure that you put the right email address here. Whatever your email address is, you want to use the right email address. Make sure that it's right so that you can receive access to our account. So I'm going to go in here. I'm going to pause this really quick. Okay, so you're going to put that here. And so once you get on this next page, you want to make sure you put your first name and your last name and your username. You want to select the username that's going to be on your account. So as you can see how my username is here, you want to select a username that you're going to be able to share with everybody. It doesn't matter, you know, who you want to make sure it's something like, let's say it would be like work with Nick. You know, that was another username that I thought of, and that's NIK, work with Nick, or work with whatever your name is, or let's connect with, you know, whatever, just something creative. You want to make sure that you use all lowercase letters. And if you have to use numbers, you can use numbers as well, but you definitely want to make sure there's no spaces, and you want to use all lowercase letters. So once you select your username, you're going to put your password, then you're going to confirm your password. You're going to select your country, and then you're going to put your mobile number. Please make sure that the number you list here is a good number for you so that one of our coaches can reach out to you, because that's one of the things that makes us different. We're going to be able to work with you to make sure that you have success. That is what we do. So it's very important that you put the correct number here. So that's going to be, once I hit the, once you fill out your information and you hit continue, that's going to be step 3, and it's going to take you to the back office. So once you have entered all of your information, you have now created yourself a free account with us. So every time you log in, until you finish these 7 steps, you're going to see this every single time you log in. One of the cool things about it is that this is going to give you the ability to finish this at your own pace. So if you can only watch one video today, and tomorrow you have to watch the next video, then so be it. It doesn't matter. Whenever you come back in here, you're going to leave off wherever you left off. So if you leave off on step 3 tomorrow when you sign back in, or tonight on your lunch break, or whenever, it's going to be able to just for you to click on a step, remember where you left off on the video, and you start back. So really quick, I'm going to go over what you can expect. So this video right here, what is Ingreso Cybernetico? This is basically going to be an intro video showing you exactly who we are, what we do. You're going to see testimonials from people who have earned money with us. Even back, you know, when we had the original Ingreso. So now we have Ingreso Cybernetico, and we have Ingreso Cybernetico Classic. I think that's what our other company is, where we have all of our thousands and thousands of members. Basically, Ingreso is at our 7-year anniversary, and what we decided to do is we decided to create totally new products and implement the ability for our users to be able to receive up to 100% affiliate commissions, as well as being able to receive cryptocurrency is how we get paid. So that's the addition that we added. So watching this video right here is going to show you testimonials. You're going to see people that have earned anywhere from $20,000, $14,000, $50,000, even over $150,000 with our company. So you're going to get all of that information in this video. In step 2, the internet business basics, basically you're going to learn about the importance. If you have a product or service, you're going to learn about the importance of, you know, lead them, squeeze them, and sign them. So that's basically, you're going to want to make sure you're capturing name and email addresses to your prospective customers, as well as you're going to want to make sure that you provide them valuable information. And then after that, then it's going to show you how you sign them up into your business or whatever. So you're going to get valuable information when you watch this video. Number 3, if you choose to market our products, you're going to be able to get affiliate commissions. We pay up to 100% commissions. You can't even start your own business and receive 100% commissions. So the simple fact that our compensation plan is designed for us to receive so many different ways to get paid. We get paid from selling websites. We get paid to sponsor new team members up to 100%, depending on if you're a premium member or not. And we have 3 ways that we get paid. And we also have a monthly level that we get paid on too if you are a premium member. So when I tell you you can create some lucrative money with our company, this video is going to explain it all to you. And so then step 4, business basics. Basically, it's just going to kind of explain, you know, the trend with Bitcoin, a little bit about Bitcoin, why Ingreso chose to use Bitcoin. So it's going to give you a little bit of information about, you know, what you can do with Bitcoin and why we use it. So then step 5, what do you want? This video is going to go over you getting clear on your goals. What do you want to do? Are you specific? You know, you have to be specific in what you want. This video is going to break it all down for you and allow you to figure out exactly how you can become specific in what your goals are and what you want to do. And step 6, millionaire mathematics. This video is pretty cool. It shows you how whatever amount you decide to join our company at, how you can take that money and upgrade to create more money and more money and more money. You don't have to come out of your pocket ever again with more money. This video just basically breaks it all down for you. And step number 7, this video basically is going to walk you through how to choose which package. If you want to speak with one of our coaches, you can schedule a coaching session. If you don't want to speak with the coach, then all you have, and you're ready to sign up and you know exactly what to do and you're ready to go. If you're someone that's seasoned and you've already done this, you know, businesses, and you already know exactly what to do, then you don't have to schedule a coaching session if you don't want to. You can select, I have completed the steps, and then it's going to walk you through exactly how to sign up. Now, what I will do is I will encourage you to schedule a coaching session simply because our company is different in this way, because we have coaches that are ready to help you win, and they can figure out exactly what your goals are and how we can apply what we have here to help you win. So that's basically it. This is our company. This is it in a nutshell. This is how you can create however much money you desire to create. Our company can help you do that. We have many income streams built into our company, and we are looking to help as many people win as that want to win. And basically, we're going to share our formula with you. So that's it for me on this video. I wanted to do a really brief video. So on this page that you're on, you got this page. You're watching this video because either myself or someone from my team shared this video with you. What I encourage you to do is to follow the instructions on our 7 steps to success. And then I encourage you to get back with the person who shared this with you. If you have any kinds of questions, if you are equipped in being able to get everything signed up and you don't need any help, then you can simply, like I said, you can click here to do that. And basically, I just wanted to show you what it does. It shows you here, you can select the package. And when you select the package, then you're going to transfer your Bitcoin over, and then you're going to join. So that's basically, you know, what you're going to do. So again, I just wanted to welcome you to our team. I want to say thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Somebody cared enough to share this with you. And if you have any kinds of questions, on the page that you're on, there's going to be contact information for the person who shared this video with you. I want to encourage you to get back with them. I thank you for watching this. And like I said, at Ingreso Cybernetico, I'm telling you, if you are tired of struggling for a way to create income from home and you really want to connect with the winning team, you will win with us, because we are going to make sure that you win. Our coaches are in position to make sure that you do, and they are going to help you win. So that is what we do. I want to sign out of this video, and I'll see you on the next video. Follow the instructions that's on this page. And again, I want to welcome you to the team, because if you're still here, I know that you're going to be joining us. See you on the inside. Peace.